Hello everybody, this is Dr. EKANSH SHEKHAR. I am a consultant dermatologist, a cosmetologist and an aesthetic medicine consultant practicing in various parts of the world and also India. And my specialty, as per my specialty, I always wanted to have certain protocols in place where people can get trained from different areas irrespective of whatever country or place they are coming in. This opportunity was created by the Canadian board in association with Recon, and now it's a very different and unique kind of system running in India where it is a lot of its institutes are different, but here you get the best of the aesthetic training, you get in touch with a lot of plastic surgeons, you get in touch with a lot of aestheticians, all of them together under one roof. I would like to specially thank Dr. Pragati, Dr. Priyanka, who were my mentors and regularly guided me throughout the pathway and the journey. And today I am extremely happy when I am accredited with the Canadian board, and I would like to invite all of you from India and abroad to take this opportunity of getting educated under such a privileged environment and becoming one of the best aestheticians of the world. Thank you.